Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get a cash advanced on Chime using the My Pay feature, which allows eligible members to access a portion of their money before payday. So first of all, you need to start by opening your Chime application, and inside it you just have to simply look for the My Pay section. The eligible members may receive a credit limit ranging from $20 to $500 depending on the account's activity and qualifying direct deposits. Now you need to select the option of My Pay in order to view your available advanced amount. You will be able to see how much money you can currently access and your total limit for the pay period. So you need to simply select the option of get the money and enter the amount that you want to borrow. You can request any eligible amount up to your available limit rather than taking the full amount. You can receive the advance within 24 hours at no cost, and you can choose instant delivery for a small fee. So once it is confirmed, the funds will be deposited to your Chime checking account. When your next qualifying direct deposit arrives, Chime automatically deducts the amount that you advanced, and there is no mandatory fees, no credit check, no interest charges, or any other standard My Pay advances. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.